Hey guys, today's video, I have a new code for Buildable for Treasure, guys. You know that firework code? There's another one that gives fireworks, guys. So let's go to the code. So here, you gotta go to the settings. It should be right down here. Okay, bam, okay. Gotta go here, and the code is Fusion. He is a YouTuber, not for redeem. What is it? Code. Code Fusion. Okay, it's Code Fusion. So 15 balloons, okay. 10 cake, yes. And 3 stars, and 5, yes. So 5 of those bang ones, the ones that do, okay, so new code is Code Fusion. Guys, go use it, Code Fusion. Okay, I thought it was just Fusion, but no, I guess it's called Code Fusion. He's a YouTuber though, Fusion. Yeah. But more cakes? Thank you. That is awesome. Also, I have a bunch of those. I have a bunch of the fireworks, guys. Now I have 37 stars and 11 cakes. Because before there was another code that gave cakes. What's that? I have like 132 of it. Oh, what is the block that I have most of? I know I have a lot. Okay, let's see. So for most, I see 128. Hmm. Yeah, TNT, I have 5 of that, but wait, so was it 128? Yeah, 128. Okay, 128. Okay, 136. 229. Okay. 510. 510, no, holy. Okay, yeah, that's the most of. I have 510, which is the metal. Oh wow, I have 510 metal. Seriously? Okay, well guys, go use the code, guys. And I will see you guys all later. Bye.